Are you ready for week 3 of our scavenger hunt right here in Cheyenne?
We are.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott.
I'm Tammy Facemeyer.
I'm John Facemeyer. At REMAX Capital Properties, we are sold in our community and the people who make it the best place to live.
We'd like to tell you how to enter to win your chance to spin the wheel for cash prizes at REMAX.
All you have to do is find at least one of our 6 billboards in town with "Sold on Our Community" banner highlighted local heroes.
Look for the billboards featuring teachers, medical workers, firefighters, deputy sheriffs, and REMAX veterans. Also, 2021 high school seniors. Take a selfie with the billboard and post it to our Facebook or Instagram pages using hashtag #SoldOnOurCommunity.
John and Tammy are 2 of our featured REMAX military veterans. Thank you both for your service.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are giving away $2,000 in cash over the 4 weeks to our community. You'll have a chance to enter each week. Thank you for the trust you place in us to serve you with your real estate needs. Watch for our new post.